Hey DIY friends, and welcome back to another candle review video. If you like me and you love to get candles for every season, you will not be disappointed when you check out these Dollar Tree fall candles. This first candle is from Essence and it's called Rake Pile Leap. It comes in this really cute mini mason jar and this really cute green color. I love the smell of it. It's like a sweet nature type of smell, and I have this beside my bed and I just love falling asleep to this. This next candle is also from Essence and this is called Pumpkin Spice. Now this one is a very potent pumpkin spice type of smell. It is not mellow at all, so you would love this if you're really into pumpkins. It also comes in a cute mason jar in this really cute oranges type color. It's a really nice candle. This third candle is also from Essence and it's called Toasted Marshmallow. When you open this, you immediately get hit with the smell of marshmallow, and I love eating s'mores, so I really like this candle to be lit like everywhere in my house. So it also comes in a mason jar in this pretty white cloudy kind of color. I love the smell of this one. This candle is also from Essence and it's called Harvest and Hayride. Now this candle has a very distinctive smell that I just cannot name, but I know I smelled it before. And it also comes in this really cute mason jar and it's really red, pretty kind of color, and it burns even. And I realized that the smell for this one is so mellow, I had to light two just to get it in my home smell in my bedroom. But it is a great candle to get. I love the smell of it. This last candle doesn't have a name, but it is a soy blend candle and it's called Cinnamon Spice. It is very mellow, so you will need at least two of these just to get it in the air in your home. It also comes in a mason jar and it does have a pleasant smell. I hope you enjoyed my video. I really like these candles from Dollar Tree, and if you're a candle lover as well, you will surely appreciate them for a budget. Getting some of that fall into your home. If you're not a subscriber, please do check out some of my other content. Have a great one, and thank you again for watching.